In this video, we will be discussing about the need of work clothing with embedded sensors that can securely transmit data to managers about hazardous conditions and workers' physical condition. The problem we are addressing is the safety of workers in hazardous work environments. Workers in industries such as construction, mining, and manufacturing face numerous risks, including exposure to dangerous chemicals, extreme temperatures, and heavy machinery. Work-related accidents and injuries can result in serious harm or even death, making safety a critical concern in these industries. To fully understand the problem context, it is important to consider the potential hazards and risks that workers face in various industries. In industries such as construction, manufacturing, and mining, workers are often exposed to hazardous conditions such as extreme temperatures, toxic substances, and heavy machinery. These conditions can pose significant risks to workers' safety, and without proper safety measures in place, workers can be at a risk of serious injuries or even death. For example, in the construction industry, falls from heights and being struck by falling objects are leading cause of fatalities. In the manufacturing industry, workers can be at a risk of being caught in machinery, electrocution, or exposure to hazardous chemicals. In the mining industry, workers can be at a risk of cave-ins, explosions, and exposure to harmful gases. These hazards can be a cause of serious injuries, long-term health effects, and even fatalities. In addition to the risks associated with hazardous conditions, workers can also be at a risk of physical health issues. Some of the risks involved are heat exhaustion, dehydration, and fatigue. These issues can be particularly prevalent in industries where workers are required to work long hours in hot and humid environments. These physical health risks can not only affect workers' productivity but also impact their overall well-being and quality of life. To address these risks and improve safety overall, there is a need for work clothing with embedded sensors that can detect hazardous conditions and monitor workers' physical condition. By providing managers with real-time data about hazardous conditions, they can take immediate action to prevent accidents and ensure workers' safety. For example, if a worker is exposed to a hazardous substance, the sensors in their work clothing could detect this exposure and alert their manager in real time. This would enable the manager to take immediate action to remove the worker from that environment and provide any necessary medical attention. Similarly, if a worker is showing signs of physical distress such as heat exhaustion or dehydration, the sensors in their work clothing could detect these conditions and alert their manager. This would enable the manager to take immediate action to prevent the worker from developing serious health issues. However, it is important to ensure that the data collected by these sensors is transmitted securely and stored in a safe and encrypted location. Workers need to trust that their personal data is protected and not at risk of being misused. Therefore, customer needs-based analysis of work clothing with embedded sensors must also consider the importance of data security and privacy. By providing work clothing with embedded sensors that can detect hazardous conditions and monitor workers' physical conditions, we can improve safety overall and reduce the risk of accidents and injuries in the workplace. Workers can feel more secure and confident in their work environment, knowing that their safety is being actively monitored and protected. Additionally, managers can have peace of mind knowing that they have the necessary tools and information to prevent accidents and protect their workers. Work clothing with embedded sensors presents several challenges. The design must prioritize user comfort, durability, and functionality while ensuring that the sensors are accurate and reliable. Additionally, data security and privacy must be a top priority, ensuring that workers' personal data is protected and not at risk of being misused. Design must also prioritize connectivity options, ensuring that the sensors can securely transmit data to managers in real time. The clothing with embedded sensors typically include a variety of sensors, including temperature, pressure, and motion sensors that can detect changes in the work environment and workers' physical conditions. The data collected by these sensors is transmitted to a central system where it is analyzed, allowing managers to monitor hazardous conditions in the real time. Additionally, the clothing can include features such as location tracking, fall detection, and emergency alerts, providing an added layer of safety for the workers. In conclusion, work clothing with embedded sensors is a valuable product that can improve workplace safety and provide businesses with cost savings and productivity benefits. As a product design expert, our role is crucial in ensuring that this technology is designed and implemented effectively, providing maximum benefits to users while prioritizing safety, comfort, and privacy at the same time. As a consumer, it's essential to recognize the safety benefits of this technology and advocate for its implementation in hazardous work environment. Thanks for watching.